Hello, Tom Watts with Tech Republic here, on site at Scale Computing Platform 2026. Now, Scale Computing has just announced a brand new program experience for its channel partners worldwide. Here to tell us all about it is Global Channel Chief Kyle Fenske and Director of Marketing Brent Patrick. Welcome, guys.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks for having us, Tom.
Now, Brent, let's dive into the new program. How did you determine the changes that you needed to make?
Really, Tom, the company is at such an inflection point right now, and it's strange because, and sometimes my boss says sometimes it's better to be lucky than good, and I kind of think that's where we're at. With the inflection point that we're at, we've been acquired by Acumatica, acquired Adaptive Networks, and so we're bringing all of these products under one portfolio. When you pair that with partners and customers, very much in the thick of looking for a virtualization alternative, with the hardware market in crisis, with the memory shortage, it really made sense to reevaluate whether or not we were being the best partner to our partners. And that's really kind of how we got to this point. It was a little bit of data, but it was a whole lot of listening to get here.
Yeah.
Listening to partners, listening to customers, having really difficult conversations internally. Again, just holding ourselves accountable, holding our feet to the fire, and making sure we are being the best partner to our partners.
We saw it in Bill's keynote yesterday. The integrity was probably the biggest word, and everyone's bringing that up to us in our conversations.
That client centricity is really cutting through in all of the talks that I've seen, especially in Bill's keynote as well. So Kyle, if we think about what partners can expect from the program, what kind of benefits and revenue opportunities is that presenting to them?
It's a very unique. So we wanted to do something different than what everyone else in the market is doing. We're wanting to bring elements into this new partner program that rewarded partners for their capabilities, not just the volume that they do with Scale Computing. We want to enable our partners to know the products inside and out, but not just if you look at legacy Scale Computing and the HyperCore product, we have a lot of partners that are trained up on that. I want them to know who AcuVigil is. I want them to understand who SC Connect is. So this is going to reward partners that are branching out and taking advantage of all the options that they have now. And as they go through and do those different tracks, they will be rewarded for their expertise in each area, essentially. So it's exciting to see that it's moving away from traditional revenue generating and more into the capability generating.
Brent, how does this new partner program help channel partners grow alongside Scale Computing?
Listen, I said earlier, we've done so much listening, and one thing that I heard that partners are really craving is repeatability. And I'm not sure before this that we offered them that repeatability. And when we think about, what I've learned over my 10 plus years in the channel is that partners know what they sell and they sell what they know. If we want true repeatability and true growth, we have doubled down on curriculum. I think that's the biggest opportunity. The curriculum now exists and we're continuing to build and iterate, whereas before, and certainly it wasn't an afterthought, but it wasn't the forefront of the program. And so I think what they can expect out of this program is growth through repeatability.
And Kyle, what kinds of solutions and services providers are you looking to partner with?
I mean, that's part of the benefit of all these great companies coming together as one, is that we have so many different types of partners today that work in so many different verticals. So the new partners coming in, we're going to have them coming in like that can either specialize on those verticals that we've seen today, but they can also start to cross out into the different ecosystems, if you will. So I think partners I'm looking for, I welcome them all at the end of the day, but I think for us, it's definitely rewarding those partners that have been with us for so long and rewarding that loyalty that we've had and seeing them grow within what we're bringing to the table. It's going to be very exciting to see what happens here.
Fantastic. It sounds like full steam ahead and huge opportunities as well, which is lovely to hear. Now, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I've been Tom Watts, and if you want to find out more about Scale Computing Platform 2026, please visit techrepublic.com.